DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners, got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Okay, I'm making a bigger circle for my wind chime. And I need to join these 3 boards together, and I found a cool way to do it if you don't have Biscuits or any of that other stuff for dowels. So I put a little X on each side, and this is the middle one. So what I did is I roughly got this halfway. Well, it was halfway. I've since moved it. Oh yeah, I was cutting my 1/8 inch strip. So roughly get this halfway, and then what you do is you take your board and you lower it onto the saw, and then you move it, okay, a little bit, and that gives you this channel in here. And because they're marked, they're all the same height, or they should be. So like this one, this is the center one, it needs 2. So I did the first one. I don't have it quite centered there, because I already did this. I did the first one and got the channel, and then I just flipped it over and did the other side. You know, just lower it on here, and then you can move it a little bit. Anyway, that gives you channels. And then what I did is I cut 1/8 inch strips off of this one, just, you know, measuring it here, and they fit inside. And this is the long grain here, and they'll fit inside here, okay? And that will help. This one's a little short, but I can move it to the end. And then you glue these in, and then you know, make sure that they line up and everything. They won't line up perfectly, or at least these haven't. I don't know why, because they are all the same height. There. And then make sure that it goes together all the way, that they're... One of these is a little sticky. It's probably not the right height. Before you glue it, make sure that look at this, that they will fit together. And this one won't, because I have it on the end. That one, that one, that one. There. Okay, so this one is, one of these is a little long, or it needs to be slid. Maybe I'll put this one in the middle. Yeah, they're a little bit tight. My saw isn't the best. Anyway, I think it's a pretty cool trick, and it will work. There. Okay, so make sure these will all go, and then maybe mark them, and then glue them in on one side, and then glue the thing to the other side. Alright, cool trick. Onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.